Today we're doing multiplication strip diagrams. So to begin, let's review. In addition, we have a part and a part, and we're missing the total. So the question mark represents the total. In subtraction, 10 minus 4, we're missing a part. So we got total, a part, but we're missing the other part. Well, in multiplication, we gotta do two steps. The first, equal groups. So you create 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 2 here, 2, 2, 2. This is my picture. So to create the strip diagram, you pretty much use your picture. We're missing the total, the product, and we got 4 equal parts. Each part is 2. So when you're doing this, make sure you create your picture, and from your picture you will have your strip diagram. So here's the second example. Six times 3. 6 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there's 3. So based on this, you have your strip diagram. You have the product, which is the total, which is missing, and you got 6 parts. So you divide into 6 parts, just like the picture, and there's 3 in each. And that's how you create a strip diagram.